Controversies feed into a broader conversation about celebrity authenticity, brand trust, and whether a famous name shields a product from scrutiny. So what should pet owners do now? Read labels carefully. Natural is not a regulated, single definition across brands. Check ingredient lists, consult your vet, and watch for independent testing or recalls. If you're unsure, look for clear certifications or manufacturers who disclose processing details. Watch this space. Key moves to follow are whether the court allows the case to proceed as a nationwide class action, and whether lab testing or expert reports surface that support either side. If plaintiffs win class certification, the case could lead to settlements or changes in labeling practices across the pet food industry.